girl only Aaliyah. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't be shy and hit that subscribe, and if you're cool, hit the like button too. A lot of people ask me what are some things that I do to keep my hair healthy and everything, especially because I have my ends bleached. So I decided to do this video. I'll be doing a lot more of these videos, showing you guys different hairstyles that I do to keep my hair moisturized and how I keep it moisturized in these hairstyles and so on and so forth. So stay tuned, guys, and you guys should also hit that notification button so the next video I post you guys can be alerted and y'all can come watch it. So let's get into the video. So I just want to start by showing you guys the products I'll be using. This one is a Smooth and Hold Putty. This is what's going to like hold your hair together, y'all, okay? The next product is this heat protectant. I know it's a heat protectant, but I use it as an oil for my hair and it's awesome and it smells so good, y'all. So it's good. So I already started on the other side. These braids, you're going to want to start from the part that's closest to your ear, and then you're going to want to move inward. So now we're just moisturizing our hair, and we're going to start with the Smooth and Hold Putty, which was the first picture that I showed you guys. And we're going to really get up in there with that moisture. Personally, I like to start with my roots and work my way down, but that's just me. Now you want to take the heat protectant, which was the second picture I showed you guys, and really focus on your edges, but also get your ends too. Don't forget your ends. Okay guys, now we're going to just braid it up. I fast forwarded this video just because I know my hands are definitely in the way. So there's no way you guys are going to learn how to French braid by watching this particular video. If you want me to upload a video on how to French braid, just comment below and I'll upload one. So now for this part, I'm pretty much just using a combination of the holding putty and the heat protectant oil, and I'm putting it on the end of my hair because that is one of the most important parts that the oil needs to be on your hair, is the ends, because that's typically where breakage happens. So make sure you really moisturize the ends of your hair, guys. So now we're moving to the middle portion of our hair. And we're just going to start by parting it straight down the middle. You want to make sure that this is as straight as possible, just like all the other parts that you've done for this particular hairstyle. Just repeating what we did for the last braid. We're just going to heavily moisturize our braid once again and brush it too. For this part, I just wanted to slow it down a little bit to show you guys that, you know, you got to pay attention to the underside of that braid too. I feel like I focused on the top part of the braid and really didn't show you guys that you got to moisture under that braid too, even though you kind of already did. But for that section that you're working on, like the new section you're working on, you really didn't get the moisture in there, I feel like. So you have to get both sides of every braid no matter what. brush, guys, and just brush your edges down pretty much. Make sure that it's nice and smooth and flat, so when you start braiding, it's like really neat looking. And then you just want to start braiding. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Nice and crispy. Okay guys, don't forget, if you're new, don't be shy and hit that subscribe, and if you're cool, hit the like button too. And go ahead and hit that notification bar too, guys, so you can get notified when I drop my next video. Stay tuned.